So listen, it's two citizens under the Constitution. You've been brought up to think that you are a U.S. citizen, but that's a public citizen, and it's actually known in law as a district citizen. So if it's a district citizen, then what district are we talking about? Oh, of course, we're talking about Washington, D.C., Washington District of Columbia. Now, do you know that Washington District of Columbia, that's not considered a state within the meaning of the Constitution? So then what does that mean for your citizenship status if it's tied to a state that's not a state within the meaning of the Constitution, like the rest of the 50 states are? What does that mean? That means you're being tricked out of your position. You see, you're really a private citizen, but this system and this government is designed modern day to keep you in the dark about that. But that's why you go into court, you know, you might be trying to help yourself and you start expressing stuff out of the Constitution, but they don't respect it. Yeah, it's because they don't see you as a private citizen. They see you as a district citizen, aka public U.S. citizen. Does that make sense to you? So this is why I educate people on how to correct their status so that they now come under the entire fold of the Constitution. Now those are the laws that actually apply to you. Then you start to know more of your rights. Then you start to understand how credit works in the system. Public credit and private credit. Because if you're a private citizen, then you have private assets. If you're a public citizen, then you have public assets. See how that works? Plus, the more we get into this, you understand that everything in the public, it operates off everything in the private. So private credit always came first. Now, with all that being said, this is why I actually have a class that's coming up. And all you have to do is comment WEB, W-E-B. Then you can join the class and you can learn more about how to take your freedom back, how to take your power back, how to protect these things, and how to be able to pass them down to the next generation so that we break the cycle of government overreach and these terrible generational curses. All right? So again, comment WEB, and I'll see you on the inside. Let's get it.